Kids are exposed to gambling every day. We all know about the non-stop sports betting ads, but there are other ways that kids can be primed to gamble that can make it harder for parents to see or control. Video games often feature gameplay that looks and feels a lot like gambling. While influencers on YouTube and TikTok promote gambling as fun and risk-free. When I'm not on the field, I'm a teacher, so I know it's more important than ever to help kids understand how gambling really works. Be Ahead of the Game is a Victorian government program that helps the whole school community protect kids from gambling harm. Schools can book free Be Ahead of the Game workshops for secondary students on gambling, gaming and financial literacy. Teachers can download free classroom resources that can be incorporated into their curriculum plans. Plus, schools can host free info sessions for parents to help them talk to their kids about the risks of gambling and gaming. So if you're a teacher or know someone who is, visit beaheadofthegame.vic.gov.au.